Good morning and welcome to Victorian Antiquities and Design. Today we're going to talk a little bit about lighting and how you select the right shade. We often have people come in to buy shades and they're not sure what size they need, and that is critical when you're buying lighting. Now, this is your typical gas-electric combination light. You can see it is a gas fitter, but it also has this electrical side of it. And this is what's called a 2 1/4 inch shade size. This is your fitter. Your fitter determines the type of shade that you will need. And this is a 2 1/4 inch shade. As you can see, it fits perfectly in that space. It's a good idea, if you can, to take your shade fitter and bring it with you. That way we can give you a correct size, because these do come in various sizes. For example, here is a 4-inch fitter. This takes a 4-inch or 3.5 to 4-inch fitter. There's a slight amount of adjustment on these, so you can do some adjustment. And then in the back here, you have a hanging light, and that always takes a 2 1/4. Now, there are some reproduction lights out there that may take a 3, but here's the most common sizes of lighting shades that you're going to see. This is a 1.5. This is a more modern use shade. This is the 2 1/4, which is your more common shade used through the 1920s. Over here, we have a 4-inch shade. And lastly, we have a 5-inch shade. These are going to be shades that are used on very old lighting, gas lighting, or sometimes oil lamps. So there's a variety of different options here. We carry probably on any given day 150 to 200 shades in various styles. So if you're getting ready to do that lighting project, you're not sure of what you need in terms of your shade, measure everything, and if you can, bring in this fitter so we can measure for you and be sure that the shade that you're looking at is going to work for you. Thank you for listening to this today, and we hope to see you at Victorian Antiquities and Design, 630 South 15th Street in Midtown Logansport. Thank you.